What's up, everybody? Bucket here, Bucket's World of Vegas, coming back to you with another room walkthrough. Today, this is actually my first time ever checking into Delano. And to settle that debate, it is actually Delano, not Delano. Yeah, I thought that for the longest time. But anyway, we are in a Scenic suite. We're in room number 37815. Let's go inside and check it out. So the thing about Delano is that it is the all-suite sister property of Mandalay Bay. So technically every room is a suite, meaning that it has a separate living area and sleeping area. When you walk in, immediately to your right, also indicative of a true suite, is that it has a half bath right in the entrance. So, which will come in handy if you've got more than a couple of people staying in here. This could be their bathroom. And further in, this is the living room, which has a really cool piece of art above the couch. I like that. It's got a kind of a sectional couch. Not quite, I guess, I don't know what you would call that. Somebody can correct me in the comments. Your TV is relatively small compared to most suites that I've stayed in. I'd say that's probably a 50-inch, maybe 47. But hey, how often are you really in your room watching TV? Got your desk area. I don't know why anybody would want to be at work while they're here, but it happens quite a bit. Out the window, that's the view. We'll get to that here in just a second. Here's your wet bar area. Leather-bound ice bucket. I think that's pretty cool. It's got your mini bar down below, of course. MGM properties are notorious for these, which really a lot of them are anyway. But they do have a Keurig machine, which is something that you don't find everywhere. However, you have to pay to use the cups and the Keurig pods. So if you have Keurig K-cups, bring them with you. Save some money on some coffee in the morning. So now we venture into the bedroom area. And this is the king-size bed in the master bedroom. Got a floating TV there. And a closet immediately to my right, which is going to be where you're going to find your ironing board, your iron, your safe, clothes hangers, that kind of stuff. Stuff that's typically in the closets at these resorts. So this suite is called a Scenic suite because of its location on the building. They are on the edges of the building, like at the end of the hallway, essentially. And I was unsure of this, but I did confirm it at check-in that not every Scenic suite guarantees a strip view. So that's something that I guess you either have to get lucky or request when you're making the reservation, because not all of them are going to offer that view. This is the view out of one window. Get a pretty good full shot of Mandalay Bay. A little bit of the airport out that way. And then let's head over to the other side, which is going to be the side that you get a strip view. And that is a pretty decent shot. I mean, you can see all the way down to the stratosphere, all the way down at the end. And you get a little bit of everything. The entirety of Luxor, which I think is kind of cool. But that is why they call that a Scenic suite. And so far, everything looks really clean. I have no complaints, although we just got here. And the last but not least, and for me the most important thing in a hotel room, is the bathroom. Hotel room's a hotel room, but the bathrooms make the difference. In here, his and her sink, lighted vanity mirror. I believe this makeup mirror is lighted as well. It sure is. For the ladies, also got a TV in the bathroom. So if you're chilling out in this large soaking tub, you can watch TV, watch the game, do what have you. I'm gonna get in here and see how deep this is, because it looks awfully deep. I'm 5'7", and man, that's perfect. My knees aren't bent. I could easily chill out in here. It's not jetted, so it wouldn't be like a spa. However, that is a perfectly sized soaking tub for somebody my size or even a little taller. Here's your shower stall. It's a good sized shower. It's a standard size. Not quite as big as the showers at Cosmo. Those shower stalls are massive. And your water closet, which does not have my favorite feature, which those of y'all that watch my channel know what that is, and that would be an independent exhaust fan. Doesn't have it. It's not a stack exhaust. But hey, overall, the room's fantastic. On this door, you get a full-length mirror, which obviously comes in handy in Vegas. So far, we're happy. The room is very clean that we've seen so far. It's spacious. The views are beautiful. And for our first time here, so far, we are impressed. Hopefully this helps you out if you're thinking about booking a Scenic suite at Delano, Las Vegas. So far, I would highly recommend. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned. We've got some more content coming for you soon. Take it easy.